Hi, this is Anna from the Content Lab. Typography, the art and technique of arranging type to make written language legible, readable, and visually appealing. In the world of graphic design, it's a powerful tool that goes far beyond mere letters and words. Join us as we delve into the fascinating realm of typography. Typography is more than just choosing fonts, it's about conveying a message, setting a tone, and creating a visual hierarchy. Let's start by exploring the fundamental elements that make typography a cornerstone of graphic design. Essentials of typography. Kerning, leading, tracking, these terms may sound technical, but they are the building blocks of effective typography. Kerning refers to adjusting the space between individual letters, leading is the spacing between lines, and tracking involves adjusting the overall spacing of a block of text. Mastering these elements ensures a harmonious and balanced layout. The power of fonts. Fonts are the voice of your design. Serif fonts convey tradition and reliability, while sans serif fonts exude modernity and simplicity. Script fonts bring a touch of elegance, while display fonts demand attention. The key is understanding the personality of each font and using it purposefully to enhance your message. Creating visual hierarchy. Every design has a story to tell, and typography guides the reader through that narrative. Establishing a clear visual hierarchy ensures that the most important information stands out. Play with font sizes, weights, and colors to create emphasis and guide the viewer's eye. Design process animation showing the evolution of visual hierarchy. Pairing fonts. Choosing the right combination of fonts is an art in itself. Pairing fonts that complement each other can add depth and interest to your design. Contrast is key. Pairing a bold, attention-grabbing header font with a clean, easy-to-read body font creates a visually pleasing composition. Typography in action. Whether on a website, in a print ad, or as part of a branding strategy, typography is the silent storyteller that leaves a lasting impression. So, next time you embark on a design journey, remember the impact typography can have on the way your message is received. Montage of diverse and impactful typographic designs. Where art meets communication, and design becomes a language of its own. Thanks for exploring the world of typography with us. Until next time, keep creating and innovating in the vast landscape of graphic design. Thank you for being with me. Join us for more at the Content Lab.